Hello everybody, welcome back to Rolling Through Life. My name is Wanda and we have another product review today. Today I am reviewing an electric heater from Rose. But here it is. It's a little miniature heater. It has a portable clasp design, easy operation, wide angle oscillation, and tip over protection. So we're going to take this out of the box. There we go. Okay, it comes nicely packed. Oh wow. In this it has a way to get a free digital thermometer. Comes with it. And then it has a book of instruction. And as you see, it comes very nice packed. Nice sleek packed. So let's pull this out. Okay. Okay, and there it is. On-off switch up here. It looks like a touch switch. It says do not cover, which I'm believing it means this part right here, so that way nothing burns. So let me unravel the plug here, and I'm going to plug this into my surge protector, which the one I'm borrowing right now kind of blew the switch, so I'm hoping this one doesn't. So let me plug this in real quick. Okay, it's plugged in. Alright, so there we go. And push, well, maybe I should read the instructions. It says press the power button at the rear and touch the on-off switch. Okay, oh, there's a power button down here. So I'm going to flip that on and then touch the on-off switch. Okay, it's not turning on. Ah, I see. It's got this safety thing to it. So there's a little button down here, so that way when it knows it's been tipped over or whatever. So I'm going to push on that. I can do this one-handed. Oh, there it goes. As long as it knows that it's being safe. Pretty good heat coming out of it. Can't really point it towards me. Wow, that's pretty powerful heat. Okay, this would be great at like a desk. Like me, I love summer, so if I was working in an office that was cold, this would be awesome. Now there's an oscillation switch right here. So it does go back and forth, so you don't have direct heat at all times. Stop the oscillation of it. Okay, it stopped. You just got to barely touch it, the heat is really good. So I'm going to turn this off. Well, we have it on. Okay, let's say it was being tipped over. Immediately it turns off. So that's good. Let me unplug this. Okay. I do like this product. I like the safety feature on it. The only thing I don't like is there is no type of temperature control. It's just one heat setting, which is fine because you can always turn it off. So I will be using that beside my bed at night because it's been getting pretty cold at night. But I believe this is an awesome product. I like it. It's small, compact. Say you're going on a trip and you know, where you're going, you may need a little extra heat, or when your heat furnace breaks down, you have a way of keeping relatively warm. I do like it. It is $35.99 on Amazon. I'll leave the link below. This would be a great gift for like a college student or someone moving into their first apartment or something, or someone that just wants to kind of keep, if their heat runs on gas, this would help keep maybe the bill down to release some of the chill in the air, you know, so the heater doesn't have to work so hard. So this could be used for many different reasons. Yeah, I like it. So if you're interested, press the link, hit the link down below, and get one of these. I'm actually going to enjoy mine, be able to stay warm tonight. So yeah, if you like this type of video, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you'll know every time I upload a video. So with that, I'm going to say goodbye, and I hope you all have a blessed day and stay warm.